Welcome to InvestEd Central's Market Minute, sponsored by StockCharts.com. Simply the web's best financial charts.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to December 27th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, president of InvestEd Central. Right now we got the Dow futures down 1, the S&P futures are down 1, while the NASDAQ futures are up 5. Asian markets were mixed, while European shares were up overnight. Friday brought with it higher prices on the U.S. market as the bulls managed to clear price and technical resistance on the S&P. Traders were willing to hold shares into the weekend with hopes that the recent momentum would carry into the new week. Today we'll get the monthly Case-Shiller 20-day city index and also monthly consumer confidence, with the market expecting a reading of 58 compared to 56 the prior month. There are no key earnings reports due out today. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1234, the 50-day at 1233, and the 200-day at 1259. On the S&P, we've got support at 1234 with resistance at 1275. The bulls managed to clear both price resistance and the 200-day moving average on the S&P on Friday, giving them the clear edge going into the weekend. Importantly, the 20-day moving average in the S&P moved back above the 50-day, a bullish development. The next key level of resistance on the S&P is now 1275, and if the bulls are able to clear that level, they could have a shot at October's high of 1292. The bulls were able to take the S&P up 3.7% last week as fears over Europe began to subside. It helped that the VIX fell and that yields on Treasuries spiked, showing that traders were willing to take on more risk. Seasonality favors the bulls here, and barring an out-of-the-blue event, the bulls get the nod. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow with another Market Minute.